Hi guys, so before I'm even getting started, I want to say I'm sorry I'm filming with my webcam, but because it's currently over midnight, I really didn't feel like picking up my camera for this little video, so I don't really have anything to say, but I just want to say thank you if you're still watching on our channel. If you're still here on our channel, thank you so much. It's been ages.
Take 1000 and something, I don't even know. Hi guys, so excuse me, I'm filming with my webcam because it's currently over midnight. So anyway, I wanna apologize, we haven't been filming in such a long time, but I was actually sick like quite a while ago, and then we had this little break. We were super busy with school, and now Laura is sick, and I'm sick, and everyone's just sick. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, it's kind of cracking and stuff. So I have flu. Laura is just sick. I don't even know. Yeah. Anyway, so if you haven't seen by the banner or whatever up there, we're gonna have a huge giveaway when we hit 100 subscribers, which is like 25 subscribers away. So yay! Getting excited for that already. And so if you want to, you can always like tell everyone about our channel. I don't know. Um, if you don't, that's totally fine.
Yeah, so, a phone call. Hola, mi amiga. Oh, it's back. What? Well, whatever. I didn't want to talk to you anyway. What I was saying. Oh, she's calling again. Yeah, you didn't ditch me. I mean, oh no, I answered. Yeah, I did. I have proofs. Yeah, but I'm filming. Come on, it's midnight. Yeah, what else would I do? Okay, but I gotta go now. Go to later. Bye. Where was I?
Since I don't really have anything specific that I want to talk about in this video, I'm just gonna tell you guys a little bit about our future videos. So since I'm gonna be traveling a lot during the upcoming months, we're gonna have lots and lots more traveling related videos coming up, and also we're gonna go do some summer shopping and stuff. So we're gonna do hauls and lookbooks and all that stuff, and probably like summer makeup and hairstyles and all that fun stuff. So I'm starting to ramble. So I think it's good time to stop this video and see you in the next one, which I hope will be filmed with Laura. So fingers crossed she's feeling better soon, and I really, Laura, hope you are feeling better soon because we really need to film, and I really want to film and all that stuff. Plus, I haven't seen you in ages, so you better get better soon. Anywho, adios.
Okay, so this is like take 10 or something, I don't know. But, hi guys, and I'm sorry I'm filming with my webcam, but because it's currently over midnight, I really didn't feel like taking my cam. Crap! Ugh!
Hi guys, so before I'm even getting started, I want to say excuse me, I'm filming with my webcam, so the quality is kind of crappy, but because it is currently over midnight, I really didn't feel like picking my camera. But anyways, sorry it's been so long time before what? Sorry it's been a long time with